guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I decided to film this look. If you guys like this look and want to see how I achieved it, just keep watching. Make sure you're following me on Snapchat and Instagram, both Jamie with 8 eyes and an E at the end. Let me know what other looks you guys would like to see or any other ideas. Thank you guys so much for your continuous support, and I'll see you in my next video. It's like an in-between pink burgundy, like, I don't know, but I'm going to put that all in my crease, and I don't have tape on my eyes, so we're going to get the tape. And I'm placing this color directly into my crease and upper crease area, and I'm just going to use that tape as like my base, and I'm going to just, like, you know, make sure I run it all up against that, because that tape is like what's our guideline to help us, and what's gonna make this eyeshadow look super clean. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm just gonna clean it off, because before I build up the depth in my crease of this next color, which is this blue shade, I want to just the colors to gradate and transition well, so I'm going to use the same brush so it's like the same consistency, if that makes sense. And I'm just going to use this blue color right here. So now that the color is there and you can see the blue and you can still see this like pinkish reddish color peeking through, I'm going to switch brushes. And then this is similar, it's like this, the Sigma E25 is very similar to the MAC 2, you know, the 215 or 216, whatever it is. And I'm going to place this in my crease, but before I just start sweeping it in there, I'm going to use a packing motion to build up that color so it's at the intensity that I want it to be, because I want this blue to be super vibrant. So by packing it on, I'm going to get a better color payoff versus just going straight in and, like, you know, sweeping that color in there back and forth. So what happens when you start layering colors is you may start to lose that first color. So I like to go back in with that first brush and that first color. I have to clean it off because I used it to, it has blue on it, and I don't want blue in the upper crease of my eye. But I'm going to go back in using a very light touch to just run that color back, just so it's not lost in all this blueness. Like, the blue is trying to take over, and you know what, we still want to see that other color. Next thing, I'm going to carve out my crease. Like, literally it's so fast. Like, you don't have to be blending out eyeshadow for 10 minutes. You don't. Once you get the technique down, you can do it in a solid, both eyes in a solid 10 minutes.
myself